Oh.
I've never felt like that cracked like that before.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's nice. I remember being in America being like, I can't wait to like come back here.
Yeah. But down here is super interesting because you obviously get like the bowel issues. Got swelling through here, right there. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
That's like L3 right there. Nerves that go straight into the bowels there, which is super interesting, isn't it?
Makes sense.
Oh man, that was crazy. Holy. Bottom, it's not your lower back. It was your sacrum. Remember when I was like this side stuck? So that was what just went then. And we adjusted that. That was why. Did that feel like a deeper kind of clunk? Yeah, that was that sacrum that just went. Holy, that was huge. Oh man, God, that went like 4 times before I even did it. Holy. Yeah, that drop. Dude, that feels so much better already. Yeah, this left side's pretty banged up. Nice. Man, that feels significantly better already. That's good.
Oh.
There you go. Sweet.
I've never felt like that cracked like that before.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, dude, that feels so much better already. That left side was really jammed up. Look at that now, it's like butter in there. God, that genuinely is like significantly improved that.
I remember being in America being like, I can't wait to like come back here.
Yeah. Especially after the flights, man, those long haul flights.
We did 17.5 hours from Dallas to Melbourne. This feels so good, but like I feel it all the way.
Feel it up in your head, yeah. Common headache muscles, that's why.
It's nice.
That's where I get it too. I get it in my brow as well, yeah.